Welcome to my in-depth review of Lemlist, a powerful email marketing platform that stands out for its ability to create personalized email campaigns. Whether you're a marketer looking to scale your email outreach or a small business owner seeking an efficient tool for email campaigns, Lemlist offers a variety of features designed to help you succeed. Lemlist's interface is clean and easy to navigate. Right off the bat, the setup process is straightforward, which is a big plus for those who aren't familiar with complex email marketing tools. You can quickly get started by importing your email lists, creating your first campaign, and diving into its automated features. Point one of Lemlist's standout features is its email personalization capabilities. You can personalize not just the name or the subject line, but also the images and videos within the emails, which gives your outreach a more human feel. This is incredibly useful if you're running a cold email campaign or reaching out to potential clients for the first time. Another key feature is the ability to set up automated workflows, so you can create an email sequence that triggers at specific times based on how a recipient interacts with your emails. This allows you to create a more customized experience for each person on your list, increasing engagement and improving conversion rates. However, it's not all perfect. Lemlist pricing is on the higher end, especially for smaller businesses or individual marketers just starting out. You'll need to carefully consider your budget if you want to take full advantage of all the advanced features. That being said, the value you get for the price is undeniable, especially if you're running larger scale email marketing campaigns. The platform also includes integrations with popular tools like Zapier, Salesforce, and others, which makes it easy to sync your email marketing efforts with other parts of your business. If you're a fan of data, you'll appreciate Lemlist's analytics and reporting features, which give you detailed insights into how your campaigns are performing. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In conclusion, Lemlist is a powerful tool for anyone serious about email marketing. It's particularly great for creating personalized campaigns at scale, and while it may be on the pricier side, its features make it worth considering for anyone looking to improve their email marketing game. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.